sensitive. That means these are not only secreted when food particle is there, but even if we think, we imagine, we see or we smell a flavor of delicious food, it starts secretion. That means suppose you are passing from somewhere and you are able to have a good smell of delicious food, these gastric juices will start secreting out. Suppose a delicious dish is kept in front of you, even after seeing it, gastric juices will start secreting out. So these gastric juices which are secreted by the glands present on the inner wall of the stomach called gastric glands are very sensitive, and they used to secrete even when we imagine or think or consider a delicious food particle. After stomach comes the small intestine. As I just told you, small intestine is the site of complete digestion of food particles, and they are carbohydrates, fats and protein. Carbohydrate, fat and protein are completely digested in the small intestine. For this, pancreas, gallbladder and liver help in the digestion of these substances, all substances. Moreover, intestinal juices are also secreted in the intestine by the help of glands. Now, these juices which come from bile glands are called bile juices plus intestinal juices. They together completely digest the food particle into the stomach. After the stomach, there is no work or the process of digestion. Simply absorption of the nutrients takes place in large intestine and water. Now the food is completely digested in the small intestine. For that, fat is a food product. Fat is a food particle which is ineffective on the by the secretions of stomach and intestine. Because of its oily nature, enzymes are not able to act upon it. For that, juices secreted from the liver, gallbladder and pancreas, they goes into the small intestine, they fall on the fat, they emulsify it, they breaks down it into some smaller particles, and which are then acted upon by intestinal juice. That means, firstly, these bile juices mix small or weakens, make the fat molecules weaker so that enzymes can act upon them. That means enzymes are not able to digest fat molecules. For that, bile glands secrete bile juices which breaks down or weakens the fat molecules, and they are then digested by the intestinal as well as the gastric juices. After digestion, this small intestine as well as the large intestine have several finger-like inward projections. This way on the interior wall. These are called villi. The function of villi is to simply increase the surface area of intestine for more and more absorption. You can see, if this was only the area and now this is the area, so extra surface area has been increased. Villi are present on the inner lining of small intestine as well as large intestine to enhance the process of absorption by increasing the surface area of the organ. food particles, the undigested food is powder pushed and moved into the large intestine where absorption of water takes place. Absorption of water takes place and the undigested food particles are thrown out from the body through the large opening called the anus. So this was all about the nutrition in human being. In the next class, we will continue with the process of photosynthesis or the nutrition in plants. Till then, watch this video again and again. Make the required diagram, the notes, and wait for the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.